Welcome. It's good to have you here. Good seeing you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. It's great to be here. I was a lifelong enthusiast of mathematics, statistics. I just hate how everyone thinks it's has to be just complex. Every rule has to be hard to understand. That's why I'm here to show you guys my life's passion, Venn diagrams.
Let's hear it for Venn Diagrams, guys. Wow, Venn Diagrams. You know, here at AP Stat Show, a lot of our students struggle with the probability unit. Across the nation, the unit that is especially difficult for statistics students is probability. So I hope today we can have you present to these students something they can use to be more successful.
Yes, I do. I am here to present some illustrations.
Okay.
That are part of my new book that I'm releasing this fall, titled Statistics for Dummies.
For dummies like me?
Here's my first illustration.
Okay. Wow, this is a very beautiful Venn diagram. Oh my gosh. Who knew Venn diagrams could be this beautiful, guys? Let's give a Thor another round of applause.
It means a lot. I appreciate that. You know, in this first event, this first model, first Venn diagram, it showcases an event, very real, very true, to in West Senior High School, where there are three courses: AP Chemistry, AP Biology, and AP Physics.
Right.
And, you know,
what I noticed is that we have these three classes, and we have a zero in the middle of the picture. What does that zero mean?
thank you for asking. What the zero represents is that there are 0 students at Plano West that take physics, chemistry, and biology at the same time.
Okay, so basically the intersection of all the events has nobody. No one's taking all the classes.
Yes.
Okay.
That is true.
But I do see that we have students taking 2 of the classes.
Yes. As you can see, there are 10 students that take both biology and chemistry. While pivot over here, 15 students take both physics and biology.
Okay, so basically 2 events can coincide and the student can be in both the classes, and that's what that number represents.
Yes, that's exactly what that represents.
Next up, we have Mr. Khaja, another college statistics professor. Come on in, Mr. Khaja. Where is Mr. Khaja? Guys, do you see Mr. Khaja? Oh, there's Mr. Khaja. Let's give him a round of applause. Welcome, Mr. Khaja. How are you doing, sir?
How are you?
Good. What do you have for us today?
Can I have a quick addition of those stats?
Awesome.
For that, let me explain a few key terms. So, a union is the probability of A or B happening, like this one over here. A or B are happening. And it consists of all the outcomes that are at least in one of the 2 events. This one is intersection, and there's a probability of A and B happening. So it's all the outcomes that are in both events. And this is complement, which consists of all the events are not, all the outcomes are not an event, like the complement of A, which is B.
Thank you, Khaja, for those definitions. Next up, we have a game.
Yep, so the game is called Buzzer Beater Stats. And basically, after I finish the question, whoever clicks this buzzer first gets the answer right.
Alright, let's place it right here. You ready, Mr. Thor? I'm about to get you.
I don't know about that. I've been ready for this.
Okay then. I'm placing it right here, okay?
Okay.
And this is the Venn diagram that you have beautifully created for us. Let's go, Mr. Khaja.
Alright, here's the first question. How many students are taking AP Physics? Yes, Mr. Thor?
There are 60 students.
That is correct.
Oh my gosh, he's quick.
Yeah, he was born ready. Alright, second question. How many people are taking AP Physics and AP Chemistry?
Oh snap! Oh! 5.
That's right.
Thank you. I got this, guys. 1-1. Oh, let's get this back here.
Third question. What's the complement of AP Science classes?
Oh! I got it.
Ah.
It's 2,480.
Yep, that's right.
Yes. Okay, I'm up 2-1.
Fourth question. How many people are taking AP Physics and AP Biology?
That would be 15.
Oh,
That's right.
so close.
All right, it's tied.
Tied 2-2. Okay. He's got some fans in the audience.
Last
not
question.
Not
How
sure, not
many-
kidding.
How many total students are at West?
Oh,
I'm gonna have to go with 2,700.
ooh, that was a good one. I was about to say that too.
Sorry. That's right.
Mr. Khaja played with us. Okay. So I guess that means that Mr. Thor won.
Yep, that's
3-2.
it. That's it. Let's go.
Let's go Mr. Thor, the winner. And then, I mean, I don't stand a chance against our statistics professor, obviously.
Thank you. Thank you.
You have another illustration for us, Mr. Thor?
I do.
Okay, let's look at it.
Now, as you can see here,
Okay. Oh, wow, this is even better.
this showcases, as you can see, an event that is mutually exclusive.
Well. Mutually exclusive?
Mutually exclusive.
Well, that's a lot of alphabets in one word. Or 2 words, rather. Is it 2 words?
2 words.
Okay.
Two
Okay.
words.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's break this down. What does that mean?
Now, this may be hard to believe for some of you, but it's an event where 2 things cannot coexist.
I see what's happening here. You're basically telling me that if you're a player for the Lakers, you can't be a player for the Sixers because one team has you. They're paying you. You're on their team.
That's correct.
Oh.
That's exactly what I was showing
Okay.
you.
Okay. So, I'm really curious before we start, Mr. Thor. Why Venn diagrams? People have their niche, but for you, that's Venn diagrams. So why is that?
Most people would scoff at the idea of loving Venn diagrams. I have a very heartfelt story. If we have time.
Absolutely.
Thank you. When I was 12 years old, I was at home, it was raining, pouring. And I was waiting for an opportunity to learn how to do statistics. I love statistics, mathematics, but just this one part, probability, so complex, I couldn't understand it. One day, my teacher,
Oh my gosh. Here,
God bless us all.
We have some tissues if you want some. Here.
Thank you. One day he showed me a textbook, and in that was a Venn diagram.
Okay.
And just after that, it just changed my world, changed my life.
Thank you, Mr. Khaja, for those awesome games, and Mr. Thor for those wonderful Venn diagrams.
You still lost.
This concludes our show for tonight, and we hope you learned something about Venn diagrams.